guys, this is Aditya and welcome back to Adi's classroom. In today's video, we are going to be learning about a programming language called qbasic. qbasic was released by Microsoft in 1985. It stands for Quick Beginners All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. It is an easier version of the earlier released program called BASIC. It is a high-level programming language which is fun and easy to use. You can create a variety and range of things using the program. So let's go and see what you can do with it. So now let's get on to downloading qbasic. It's very simple and easy to download qbasic. The version of qbasic we're going to download is called qbasic 64. This is the best version and works in all types of computers and users. Be it Windows, Mac or Linux, it works in all types of operating systems also. So if you're using Windows, what you have to do is, you have to know what are the specifications of your system. To find the specifications, you have to go to this PC or my computer in some systems, right click and click Properties. Under Properties, in System Types, you will know whether it's a 64-bit operating system or in some cases 32-bit. Mine here is a 64-bit operating system. You have to know this, it's very important. Once you're done that, go to your browser. And under the search bar, you have to type qb64.org. So we're going to download this from this website. The link is also given in the description. You can click the link directly. Here, if you scroll down in the website, you can find one link over here that is in the form of a red box. If you click this link, it will take you to another tab. In that tab, you can see the download links down here. You can download it for Linux over here, for Mac OS over here. For a 32-bit Windows system, you can download a zip file or a 7z file, and for 64-bit Windows system, you can download a zip file or a 7z file. Mine is a 64-bit Windows system, so I'm going to download a zip file for it. So I'll click download. So as you can see, it's downloading over here. It will take some time, so let's wait for it. So now you can see that our zip file is downloaded. So let's just close this browser and let's go to our downloads. You see, this is the file that has been downloaded. So in order to extract the program from this file, we have to go to desktop and create a new folder in the name of qbasic. So qbasic. Now what we have to do, we have to go back to downloads and copy this file onto the folder in the desktop. So as you can see here, I have copied the same file onto a folder in desktop which is named as qbasic. Now to install the program, what we have to do, right click and extract all the files over here. Give extract here. It will take some 2 to 3 minutes to extract. So now you can see that we've extracted all the components from the zip file onto this folder over here. So what we have to do now is go and click this folder and go inside and check for the qb64 application program. The type of the file will be written application, so this is your program. Do not copy the program outside the folder, otherwise it will not work. So whenever you want to use it, you can use it from here. So if you click this, you can see that qbasic opens. So here you go, we have downloaded qbasic. It's very simple. Now that we have downloaded qbasic, let's learn some basic features of qbasic. So as you can see, this white bar on top is called as a title bar, and the line below it is known as a menu bar. It has file, edit, view, search, run and options, and this untitled here is the program name. And this blue area over here is known as the program area. This is the vertical scroll bar, and this is the horizontal scroll bar, and this is the status bar. So these are the few basics. qbasic, if you see, is very interesting. You can do a variety of things with qbasic. You can make it print a sentence, you can make it as a calculator, and you can even create games in qbasic. So to begin with, let's write our first very simple program. let's print hello world. So the first command which we have to learn is known as a CLS command, which stands for clear screen. So whenever you're starting a new program, it's better to have a clean screen and a fresh screen so that it doesn't interrupt with the previous program's output. So first command we learn is the CLS command. So first let's go on and type CLS. Then the second type of command is used to print a statement or to print something in the output section. So this command is known as the print command. So after you write print, whatever you want to print in the output screen, it has to be in the double quotes. So we're going to print hello world. So I will be writing hello world in double quotes like this. Hello world. So if you see here, only whatever is highlighted in this yellow, hello world, will be printed. These double quotes won't be printed. It's not correct if you don't close the double quotes. It will not accept it. So what we have to do, we have to make sure these double quotes are closed. Then only it will be perfect. Now let's go on and execute this program and see how it looks in the output screen. To do that, you have to press run or press F5 in our keyboard. I'm going to press run here and click start. Now, as you can see here, it's printed hello world in the output screen. The output screen looks like this. This is the program screen and this is the output screen. This is where we write a program and you get your output here. So we have printed hello world. Now let's go and save this program. So let's close the output screen. To save the program, we have to go to file and click save as. You can see here under the file name, all the programs in QBasic are saved under the extension .bas. So we mustn't change that. Let's give a name for this program. So it will be called program 1. Avoid giving spaces in names because it will be a bit difficult. And let's give, and it automatically saves to desktop over here. So let's give OK. And you can see your program is saved as program 1. So there you go. That's how do you save a program. So the next program we're going to be doing is to add two numbers. So first let's go and type CLS, clear screen. Then now we're going to type a new statement. It is known as a let statement. A let statement lets you assign a value to a variable. Now what is a variable? A variable is a fixed memory location in a program. It assigns a memory to a particular value which we give in. So we're going to give the first value as A is equal to 1. Then our second value will be B is equal to 2. Let C is equal to A plus B. Next, let's use a print statement to print C. Print, then in double quotes, the sum of the two numbers is, and comma, and we will enter the variable which we used as a sum. So we'll enter C. So let's go on and execute this program. Run, start. So you can see in the output screen that we had given the value let A is equal to 1 and let B is equal to 2, and C value we had given as A plus B. So what it had done is it had added both A and B value and stored in the C variable space. So when you give print C, this is the output you get in the output screen. The sum of two numbers is 3. So this is how you write a program to print two numbers in QBasic. So now I'll be showing you another interesting program in QBasic. It's actually a quiz game So I did this program the other day, and here you go. It's a bit complex program which requires a little bit of complex coding, so you'll be able to write this program once you have learned QBasic completely. For now, I'll just show you how this program works. So let's go and execute the program. So here you go, this is the output screen. It's a simple 2-question quiz game. So it's asking to enter your name. I type Adi, and it's asking, are you ready for quiz? Yes. So rules are simple. Type all the letters in lowercase. The game begins in 3, 2, 1, 0. Let's begin. Here's your first and very easy question. Which is the highest mountain peak of the world? Options: option 1 Mount K2, option 2 Mount Everest, option 3 Mount Kanchenjunga. Obviously it's Mount Everest, so I type 2 and give enter. Great, congratulations, you have given a correct answer. Are you ready for next question? Yes. Okay, so the next question is, which is the longest river in the world? The options are 1 Amazon, option 2 Sankoshi, option 3 Nile. I guess it's Nile, so option 3 and enter. So you gave the correct answer. Total number of correct answers 2, total wrong answers 0. Your intelligence 100%. That's great. So goodbye, thanks for playing. Thank you for playing. So this is a simple quiz program that we have created in QBasic, and QBasic can be used for so many things like this. It's very amazing, and it's very interesting to work in QBasic. So the more you experiment with QBasic, the more you learn. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed this video and learned how to download QBasic and a bit of small programming with it. A bit of learning and you can create programs like this, just like what I showed you now. So that's it for today. See you in another exciting video next time. Till then, bye. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you again. Bye.